Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage nestled by a whispering forest, lived a cheerful girl named Lily and her amazing grandpa. Now, this wasn't just any grandpa. He had a secret twinkle in his eye and moves faster than a startled squirrel. One sunny afternoon, while Grandpa was peacefully watering his prize-winning cabbages, a huge, stripy tiger leaped over the fence. Roar! It bellowed, expecting everyone to run and hide, but Grandpa just put down his watering can, chuckled, and struck a pose. "Well now, who taught you to jump fences?" he asked. The tiger, utterly confused, watched as Grandpa performed a whirlwind of kung fu moves, dodging and weaving like a graceful leaf in the wind. In the end, the tiger wasn't scary at all, just a big kitten who wanted to play,